Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hadin wa Kyrtong ke Voice of the People Party u Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkon ulayo ya ke jingjop hagani ke election Lok Sabha u returning officer ke Shillong Parliamentary Constituency u SC Sadhu ula Aiti ya ke Syrnot ke balapan scam ya ke jing Shah Jied jong new MP u bathamai hagani ke election MP. Hadin balayo pedang ya ke Syrnot Uniu MP bertemai ke Shillong Parliamentary Constituency ulami Napolo ban leit shalaying shanong sder harinkat ke jing senran lang jong kipai ba. Kam hashwa kat badang up ya ke jing penbena bat jing Aiti ya ke Syrnot kipai baru ki up hasurop ha ka bakilaya shat kemen klem shong tait bat kani kalaya palat saw kenta nadu shibaje harin bakilaya jing tip halor ke jing job. Kini ke jing shat jong ki pat ba ka bakin thop na do ki long kme ki samla kin thai bat shinrang bat laong mana ka daw jong ke jing shat jong ki kat to kat ningut ki break ki badan hajrong ka kali ki bala shat ya ke jing ruai upra la sakhi ba ka shaka jong ka kali kala sedang ban jam na ka daw ka jing khia jong ki bayang hajrong kali ki pat ba ru ki lanang tot sapolo ban ai khublai Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkon ubala long menta MP batmai jong ka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency.
I, returning officer for the One Shillong District Parliamentary Constituency in the state of Meghalaya, hereby certify that I have, on the 4th day of June 2024, declared Sri Dr. Ricky Andrew Josinkon of Nomsdale, Block 6, River District, sponsored by Voice of the People Party, to have been duly elected by the said constituency in the general election to the member of the House of the People, and that in token thereof I have granted to him the certificate of election. Thank you.
Is it clear?
Yes. Hi, Shri.
Sir, can you look here a bit? Yes, sir.
Sir, look.
Ningkong ya, bah penpau di semua you play try kenrat, kalau long rengkat pagi kum ke parti, lalu kabangi sedang hi, kau mengejutkan, kum kinong yalam juga parti, di soto bah, nak bor beliau ngimla, ibu kejeng syanyak hu play, batkum ki nong yalam juga parti, rengkat bat kini ki betray, mah juga parti, ni don angkat aku bah, bagin tray shitom. But like ini hagi election campaign ke jongi, ialah dong nak Kyrtong Syrnot, agaman pensai pensoto you fight ba, namar kadon kam angkata, kum ke party ngi soto, bala dengi bagi lech you fight ba, but pensai you fight ba, pensoto ya kai ke politics, but ke politics ke bakum no ke baga VPP kadon panterwa, Dia kata ke bangilek, bat kumniu pai ba, ulai kata ke jing kershan yang ni, namaru pai ba hi kumba i buat terang ya ke jing kala, bahkan ni ke tang ke jing sedang, jong ke jing kala, na ke bangil long mentah, syaka ke ba kamha kam janai.
Okay.